Because I got gifted a cuckoo clock. We're going to get it opened up and see what we have here. Pretty nice. Oh, wow. Y'all check that out. This is a German Black Forest design, y'all. It's got hand-carved wooden pieces here. A little mushroom over here. It's that very detailed. It's kind of a rough texture here for the grass. Wooden. That is some serious detail, guys. I'm gonna bring a camera up so you can see that detail up close. Yeah, y'all check this out. That is some fine detail. All these wooden pieces are supposed to be hand carved. Over here on the side we have our controls there. I can turn the music on and off. Light sensor. Volume button. We'll play with all that in just a moment. I was just going to show y'all while I had the camera off the tripod. You can see it look good and close. Now that's some nice detail, y'all. Little weights for your chains. See if I can get it off here. Like some instructions just went flying by. There's a quartz clock crafted from wood by hand with a complex structure and exquisite details. Y'all saw that. It is some fine details, y'all. Can you imagine trying to carve all those little pieces? Anyway, there's your instructions. Here's our pendulum. Cool. And your chain right here. Over here on the side is our controls. Back here, looks like we're going to have a place to put 3 C-size batteries. This is wood, y'all. This is not plastic. That, you don't see that much anymore. Nice clock. Here's your little hanger right here. I'm going to hang it right up there. This is really nice. We'll get it put together, and then I'll get it put up on the wall, and we'll take a closer look. I want to see what the little cuckoo bird looks like, and see what it sounds like. Okay, I don't know if I pointed it out or not, but your little wooden weights right here are not actually weights. They're just a light wood for decoration. Same thing with your chains. They're just there for decoration. They have no real function other than to look good. Now, as far as your pendulum goes, it's really swinging, as you see, but it is not really needed for the clock. It's just kind of for decoration. Kind of like your chains and the weights here. Okay, let's turn the clock here to watch the cuckoo bird come out. Now you will need to follow the instructions on getting this set correctly. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That should be it. There you go. That second one, when the bird moves, that's actually the count. The other sound is supposed to be like an echo. That doesn't really count. So technically that cuckooed 14 times, but the second one is just an echo. Just wanted to kind of clarify that. Now let's put this over on this setting, and it should make the people go around. Let's find out. Now you can turn the music on and off with the switch over here on the side. Now, as I had mentioned before, you can turn the sound off. It also has a light sensor that you can set that sensor so when the lights go off, it won't make that noise and disturb you at night. So, has some options over there. Just get it set however you'd like. Okay, my final thoughts on it. It's a nice little clock. You will need your instructions to get your clock synced up with the Cuckoo bird, but outside of that, it's an easy setup. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description for you to go to check out. If you like things like this, I've got a playlist with a lot of home decor things you might be interested in. I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.